Hey Ronald, I wanted to give you an overview of how to go through the week 7 information. This is our third week of classification essays, and what I would like you to do is click on the Start button. Once you click on Start and Load, every week's going to begin with a note, so it gives you an idea of what you're going to be doing for this week and how to get in contact with me. When you've read through this week 3 classification note, you can click on this top arrow and go to the next resource. The next resource is a page on college pressures. It's by William Zinsser, and it gives you all of the information down here that you look for, which are all the things that we've looked for all year. So remember, the thesis is the main idea of the paper. The tone is the author's attitude or how it sounds when you read it. The purpose is to explain, to entertain, or to inform people. And the style is how it's set up. Does it have a lot of dialogue? Does it have bullet points? Those kind of things that we talked about in class. Now, the reading you asked about is right here. It says College Pressures Readable PDF. So when you click on the link, it should open a new page and give you a readable PDF of the document. Okay? So, College Pressures. The language is not hard, but it does jump around a little bit and explain some things. Okay? Once you've finished reading this, you go back to your It's Learning page and you click on the next arrow. For week 3, College Pressures also has several analysis questions, and you can answer via click on Answer Assignment. When you click on that, it's going to open a document for you and allow you to type right into the document on what your answers are. So, what is the topic? What are the categories that it talks about? What is the author's motivation? Thesis, remember that's your main idea. How does the author's dialogue help reinforce the thesis? And which of the college pressures Zinsser identifies has the strongest impact on you? That last question is about how you feel. Remember, online Word documents automatically save, so I should be able to see it. When you click back on It's Learning, all you need to do is click Submit, and it will submit the paper to me. Okay? Once you've finished that, you click on to the next arrow, and it'll take you to the Friendship Classification Assignment. This, again, sets up when you click on Answer Assignment, will open, it did not open a document for you. Sorry. You look at the file here, it'll show you. If you look at the file, it wants you to read through those types of friends and pick which one of your friends fits into. So, say you were going to describe one of your friends as a hopeless romantic. How would you define them? An example of when they were like that. Why you put up with them even though they're like that. And anything else I should know about this friend that kind of relates to it. I thought this would be a fun activity to help you start to classify people into categories. Okay? So once you've finished that, you can click Submit down at the bottom, Submit, and then click on the next arrow and go to the last resource for this week. For this week, your closure is to pick which topic you'd like to choose from 1 to 50 for your essay. Using this Padlet link right here, you're going to copy it, paste it into a new tab, and open it. It should take you to this classification essay topic Padlet right here, where you see some people have already filled in. You're going to click this button in the bottom right corner, and it will allow you to type in a new box. Make sure you put your name in the first one like this. Whoop. I'll bell, and then you can type in your topic right there. Okay? Ronald, if you have any questions, please let me know, okay?